Good day, folks. Here, this is a method for simple pulse width modulation with absolutely every control you can think of. This is my method that I figured out, which works pretty good by using a tablet, just using a program here that you can find for the tablet. And it has all kinds of settings to do everything I needed to do. Now you may ask yourself, what good is this if it only outputs to a sound card? I see the people with the Arduinos and the Raspberry Pi, that they want to do custom configurations for their pulse width modulations. Well, using an app like this lets you do it, but you wonder how it would work without the control ports. But we just use the sound card output like I have right here. Simple analog sound card. I'm using the right channel here, outputting the waveform to the sound card, and this is simply controlling your transistor switch, which does the PWM pulse width modulation, which on the scope here, this is what I have it set at right now. So I'm using it to pulse charge a battery. So right now there's a pulse of 12.6 volts coming in, and that's coming in at 18.9 hertz with a duty cycle of 3.2%, just like I said it here. So just the tablet. By the way, you could record this waveform any one you want, any complex setting you need. Save it as a WAV file or an MP3 and play it back on a cheap player. Will do the same thing. A greeting card, recorder, even sound chip on loop. Very simple controller. And here's what we're getting on the scope. Through the transistor, obviously. But this could be controlling a motor or anything else you could need.